A new era begins. Datalogic leads the evolution of logistics automation with Matrix 830 and 930 ultra-high-resolution 2D imaging barcode readers. A new benchmark for performance, efficiency, and total system cost, redefining large-area conveyor scanning, a world first in wide belt coverage. With 28 megapixels and 8,000 pixels of resolution, it captures wide area flows without multiple cameras, folding mirrors, faster installation, lower maintenance costs. One 16 megapixels device captures a full 70 centimeters, 28 inches belt. 28 megapixels extends coverage to 1 meter, 39 inches, with crystal clear detail, even on the widest conveyors. Elevate productivity to its highest potential, with throughput no conventional system can match. At conveyor speeds up to 3.2 meters per second, Matrix 830 and 930 keep performance flawless, fast, reliable, unstoppable. Fastest plug-and-play installation requires no alignment or calibration, and the browser-based interface makes configuration and monitoring effortless. One solution, endless possibilities. Matrix 830 and 930 reads 1D and 2D codes, recognizes hazmat labels, performs parcel inspection, and saves images for full traceability. Complex systems, multiple cameras, constant compromises. That was yesterday. What once required multiple devices now takes just one. Matrix 830 and 930. One device, zero compromises, highest throughput, delivered with simplicity.